Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan. So I wanted to share something about this project. And as you can see here, I'm using my own link, my app link, and it's not from a local host. So I want to start on this line that sets up a put route that matches the ID of a user and calls the update function from the user's controllers file. So hold on, so if you try it out like this, here it will request an ID and the user's information. Here, the email username and the IP address. So while this router file doesn't directly show MongoDB operations, but it's calling of updating user, which is likely where the MongoDB update and logic is implemented. So if you come here and let us first get the first ID. Uh, yeah, let us get the last one. We get the ID and paste it here. And then we put the email. Let's take example, like gmail.com. And the username, we might put Jello. The name, can put, for example, John. And the IP address, go back here. Excuse me. All right. For the IP address, you can put in, yeah, the IP address, you can put in something like this. So if you execute the code, it is stored right here. It is updated here. So if you go up here to the root, to this root, and not actually this one, it is, yeah. If you execute this root, so the information all comes and be stored right here, which is saved. So this root implements all root operations for users, and it will handle updates to a user identified by the ID parameter, which is this one. The ID parameter is identified by ID parameter, and taking about storing the information into the swagger.json. So if you open your JSON, um, so if you open our VS Code and yes, then try to run this npm start, and you send request. So the information is all saved right here. It comes into our JSON file right here. So when you go back to our work,
and that page is fake. This page is fake. Yeah.
when you get back to our work here, we see that the Swagger JSON be containing as a contact schema. This implies that the user data being manipulated likely follows a consistent structure across all operations, which is a good practice for API design and data consistency. Okay. So if you close this, all right, and post this. Let's try this out. Email. Put an email here like this is just like a sample, and the username. The name here we put the API address, which is that one. Then we execute. So this information will be posted on in our database. So while the code doesn't directly show the use of config, but the fact that the actual database connection details will be stored as config vars. So for the contact schema, if you come back here, with the context, come back to our contact schema. So you find that the information is stored as the way it is right now here. Everything works on well. So for the rest file, it will hold all our. So that's my project, and thank you.